Hello everyone, I am Christina Maceda from BEd 1A and I will be discussing about symbolic drawing. But before we proceed to our main discussion, I have here a quote to share with you. This is actually from Steve Jobs, and according to him, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. So it emphasizes here the importance of passion and enjoyment in one's framework, right? So now let's proceed to our main topic, which is the symbolic drawing. So in my PPT, it says here that symbolic drawing is more abstract and expressive, often representing ideas, concepts, or objects through simplified forms or symbols. So when we say symbolic drawing, it uses simple shapes and symbols to represent the feelings or the ideas. So it is more about meaning than the exact appearance. So imagine, you want to tell someone that you are feeling sad. So instead of writing a very long paragraph, you are going to draw a single dropping flower. So that is symbolic drawing. You are using a simple picture or a simple symbol that represents your feelings or ideas rather than making a realistic picture of something. Okay, so now let's proceed to purpose. So, purpose is to communicate ideas, feelings, or narratives through symbols or shorthand representations. So, just like what I've said earlier, that the purpose of the symbolic drawing is to use simple symbols or pictures to communicate ideas. So, another example of this is heart. So, when we see the symbol or the picture of heart, it usually means love. Okay, so next is we have techniques. So, artists may use simple shapes, lines, and marks that stand for larger concepts or objects. So, example of this is like you want to show a happy family. So, instead of drawing individual portraits of each family member, you might draw a simple house which represent a home, di ba? So, dili na mo kailangan ng yun grabe pag yung kalisod because this simple na drawing is syempre join na joon meaning behind that. So symbolic drawing allows the artist to condense and simplify complex ideas into recognizable visual shorthand. So I have here an example to show you guys about symbolic drawing. So the picture shows two drawings, right? One is a hand chained, showing someone is trapped, while the other is a foot, also chained, but there are birds flying from the chains, showing that even though someone is trapped, there is still hope to be free. So these are drawings that use symbols to express big ideas. So now, let me show you guys the difference between the realistic drawing and the symbolic drawing. So I have here a picture. So this is the example. So the symbolic drawing sa left side, it uses a simplified non-realistic style to represent a leaf. It's more of an idea of a leaf than a detailed picture. While the realistic sa right side, it tries to show a leaf as it actually looks in nature with more detailed accuracy. So see the difference guys, 'di ba? So, ang sa symbolic is simple ra siya, pero kaboy kita na that's leaf. Pero ang sa realistic, actually looks in nature na gadyo, detailed accuracy. So, that's all for my discussion. Thank you so much for listening, guys.